Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook dry chibwabwa with groundnuts. First, let's prepare our chibwabwa. Take your dried chibwabwa and place it in a large bowl. Cover it completely with warm water. This rehydration step is essential to soften the leaves and remove any potential bitterness. Let it soak for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours, or even better, overnight, until it feels tender to the touch. While your chibwabwa is soaking, let's prepare the groundnuts. Take about 1 cup of raw groundnuts, roast them gently until they are a lovely golden brown, then pound them into a smooth, fine paste. Next, drain your soaked chibwabwa and rinse it well. Place it in a clean pot, add approximately 2 cups of fresh water, and bring it to a boil. Don't forget to add about 1 teaspoon of salt at this stage. After the chibwabwa has boiled for about 20 minutes, it's time to introduce our groundnut paste. Stir it in thoroughly, ensuring it's well combined with the chibwabwa. If the mixture seems too thick, you can add an extra 1/2 cup of water to achieve a good consistency. Reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, cover the pot, and allow it to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking. Your dry chibwabwa with groundnuts is ready when the chibwabwa leaves are very tender and the groundnut sauce has thickened beautifully. Give it a taste and adjust the salt if needed. For an extra touch of richness, you might consider adding a dash of cooking oil just before serving. This hearty and flavorful dish is best enjoyed hot, traditionally served with enshima or a side of rice. Enjoy this wonderful taste of tradition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.